Department of Public Works and Infrastructure says the expanded Public Works program has managed to provide over 610,000 work opportunities for South Africans for the 2023-2024 fiscal year so far, and adds that it's on track to reaching its target of 5 million work opportunities for the whole phase 4 of the program, that is from 2019 to 2024.
Then in the broader context, if we look at EPWP phase 4, against the target, the 5 million target, we've reported 4,551,601 work opportunities by the 6th of October. So that is quite significant. We are well on our way to meet the target.
The expanded Public Works program was designed to help tackle the country's high unemployment numbers and to reduce poverty. And while the so-called work opportunities are only for a short duration, unlike a proper job, they're said to have made a substantial impact for individuals and their households. What
the analysis of the research is showing us is that we are targeting the right people in terms of EPWP. We have some participants who are trained in some of our programs, like the National Youth Chefs Program, giving a testimony on how the program changed their lives. We have Mr. Jerry Mkwena, who was trained as a tourism youth monitor. So we want to profile many of the participants. There are a lot of participants whose lives have been changed because of the EPWP. So it's quite critical.
Public Works and Infrastructure Minister Sihle Zikalala says while the EPWP has helped to make a small dent in the scourges of unemployment and poverty, he proposes that phase 5 of the program, which should run from 2024 through to 2029, should be more focused on the quality of the work opportunities created, advocating for greater training and skills development, which he says will augur well for more sustainable job opportunities.
When I say a sustainable one, it should fulfill the two reasons why it was initiated. And the two reasons, the first one was to ensure that we alleviate poverty. And the second one, we ensure that we provide some skills or opportunities for beneficiaries to be self-sustainable. Now, in that regard, once a person is enrolled in the EPWP, we should expect that that person will find himself in a sustainable way to survive, even after the EPWP.
Zikalala has urged government officials and those implementing the EPWP to do so with greater rigour, especially given the country's high unemployment statistics, with more focus on ensuring that the youth catch more breaks. He said the programme should not only work to create sustainable opportunities, but also to address the issues of poor service delivery. The minister also challenged government officials to interrogate whether the programme had really made the necessary impact for its beneficiaries.
And we must ask ourselves as we end the 4th phase, whether we've achieved that. How many of the beneficiaries are able to sustain themselves, those who were enrolled in the program at the beginning of the phase 4? How many have gone back to being unemployed? And therefore, we should ensure when we discuss this, we are critical and we try to disabuse ourselves of comfort, but try to make a holistic analysis.
Speakers reiterated that the expanded Public Works programme would retain its relevance for some time to come, given the country's job creation challenges, while Minister Zikalala also lamented that the country would continue to experience high structural unemployment unless the education system improved in making students more ready for the working world when they exit the school system. Nompumelelo Siziba, SABC News, Johannesburg.